Welcome to this Chromebook Camp screencast where I'm going to show you a little bit about getting around on your Chromebook. Minimize this out of the way here. So on the screen over here in the corner, you see this little circle icon. That is your launcher for where all of your apps and your search are. So if you tap on that, or another way to get here is if you look on your keyboard, there's the magnifying glass icon, the search icon. It's in the caps lock position on the left side of your keyboard. If you tap that button, that also launches this launcher area. From here, you can search your device. You can search the apps that you have on here, or you can search the web. You can do an actual web search from here. Here are some apps that you've used probably recently. You can click or tap on this little arrow, and this will show other apps available on the device. What's really nice about this launcher area is from there, you can pick apps that you store down here on your shelf. So this area to the right of the launcher, these are items that you can choose to put on your shelf. So if I go back into the launcher, let me get rid of one of them here. Let's see here, open up. Let's say that I use Google Classroom quite a bit, and I want to put that on my shelf so that it's there because I'm going to go to it quite a bit. If I two-finger tap on an app and I choose Pin to Shelf, this will pin it and put it on the shelf. So you can pick things that are in your launcher that you know that you plan to use most often. A good one to do is the Files icon, this little blue circle with the folder in it. This allows you to get to where your downloads are very quickly. It's a good idea to pin that to the shelf. So that's the left side of the screen. Over here on the right side of the screen, this little menu here where your profile picture is, and it shows your Wi-Fi and the time and things like that. This little system tray area, if you click anywhere on here, this opens up a menu. In this menu, there are different things here that can help you on your Chromebook, such as the first thing to note is the US keyboard. Your keyboard by default should be the US keyboard. If you're taking a world language class in the future, your teachers may show you how to use the international keyboard for some ways to type in other languages, but most often you want to keep that on the US keyboard. There's an accessibility area in here. If you have any sight or hearing impairments, you can turn on some of these features. I will warn you before you turn these on, make sure you know how to turn these things off. There's things in here that will allow you to magnify the screen a little bit. You can set your screen to be contrasted if you have problems seeing certain colors. You can set a large mouse cursor. So again, just if you play around with any of these features, please make sure you know how to turn them off. Other items in here, Wi-Fi, you want to make sure you connect to the Franklin Wi-Fi. Your device will connect automatically to the correct Wi-Fi. Do not connect to the guest account for Wi-Fi at Franklin with your Chromebook. If you do, you'll be limited in your use. You can connect to other Wi-Fi at home or other places where you have your Chromebook. If you have Bluetooth devices like a mouse or headphones, you can connect those and pair those to this device. In here is also where you could control your volume. There's also volume keys on the keyboard. You can get into your settings. This help area is a great place to go if you need to look anything up on help. This is where you can choose to also shut down your device. Just to the left of this menu area is this little bell icon. This is if you have any notifications. If any of the apps you're using prompt you with notifications, there may be a number here. When you tap on that, notifications will show up here. You can either drag them off to the side or swipe them off to the side, and those will go away. So that's just a little bit with getting around with your Chromebook. Thanks so much for watching.